She does not understand how Museveni works.
Full figure doesn't do what?
Full figure, she doesn't understand how President Museveni works, and she's not intelligent.
Okay.
She cannot comparing herself with the baby cool.
Okay.
The president is intelligent president, a military. If the president give you money, why do you have to go and throw money on the street? Why do you have to go to Mbara? Last time I remember I told her, I think Full Figure needs to go back to school and get some knowledge to read NRM manifesto.
Okay.
You cannot say you come to NRM tomorrow, you cannot claim you are bigger than Baby Cool.
Yeah.
So Full Figure, she has never done anything for NRM.
But can she go back to school at that stage?
Yeah, she can go to adult school to understand how NRM work.
Okay.
I will advise Full Figure first to go back to school before she attack Baby Cool, before she attack anybody. Because what Full Figure she's lacking political intelligence. She does not understand President Museveni and NRM. But when you understand Museveni and you understand NRM, you cannot be fool around like that. So I follow her last time in Munyonyo.
She was denied.
She was denied. She's ever want to be on the news. Now she's attacking Bebe Cool. She say Bebe Cool is jealousy because of NRM like her. If she claimed NRM like her, how come in Barara she was stopped?
Where Bebe Cool was it?
What has Full Figure done for NRM before she attacked the NRM people like Bebe Cool and the rest? What has she done? Apart from putting all her posts around everywhere, she has never done anything for NRM. The president knows our people. We are the president people.
She's a president's advisor.
Even you can be a president or advisor for crocodile. The president has more than 700 advisors. Huh? So, Full Figure should stop attacking NRM people. She has to go back to school and then read NRM and then understand how this government works. But the moment she gets it in her brain, she'll stop attacking anybody. I go with Bebe Cool. Bebe Cool suffer for this government, starting from the father. The father was a minister in government. Bebe Cool almost want to be killed because of NRM. Bebe Cool invested his money because of NRM. Bebe Cool support people, he goes everywhere. What has Full Figure done for NRM? What has he done? We are talking about what one has contributed. It's not about putting your posters everywhere. It's about going to the community, telling them the manifesto of NRM.
So she has not helped the community?
She has never. Yeah? So we NRM, the president's men, we know who is with us and who is not with us.